Yes, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Navy Federal. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right. Scroll down and choose Linked Banks. Right here, you need to click this plus icon and you need to enter your Navy Federal card information and you need to link the card, guys. But if this is not working for you, you can do another thing, guys. You can click no card right here, then click continue. In the search, you need to type Navy and you will see Navy Federal. You need to click it. So you need to use your credentials and link your Navy Federal Bank to your Cash App. So after you will link Navy Federal to your Cash App, then you can withdraw money from Cash App to your Navy Federal bank account. So how to do it? You need to click this bank icon on the bottom left menu. Then you need to click your cash balance, scroll down and click withdraw. Now you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and you will be able to send this money to your Navy Federal bank account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.